Hey everyone, today let's dive into MrBeast's epic train journey across the Canadian Rockies. Imagine this, and everyone, before starting, please like this video. Please, only please, I have one request. Please like, if you like, then my video goes maybe to more views because I am not getting more views. This is my request, okay? If you have just 1 second, so please like this video because I want to become like MrBeast. I know you want to become like MrBeast, so inshallah we will together become like MrBeast, inshallah. I also pray for you, and so please pray for me and support me and like this video, okay? And everyone, as you know, this is my new adventure story just for fun and enjoy, okay? And we will learn from this some word meanings and their define. And as you know, I am making this video on 4th December 2024, and this is my fourth video really on 4th December. And good, and parallel to twos are. So let's start. As Mr. Beast travels, so just imagine this, okay? As Mr. Beast travels through the stunning Tyrian, sorry, the title is breathtaking landscapes, majestic mountains, and the thrill of adventure. But it's not just about the scenery; it's about the lessons learned along the way. As Mr. Beast travels through this stunning Tyrian, he discovers how nature teaches us resilience, just like those towering peaks that withstand the harsh heat. Whether we too can face challenges head on. Every twist and turn of the train tracks mirrors life's unpredictable journey, reminding us to embrace change, but it does not stop there. Mr. Beast also connects with locals, sharing their stories, learning about their cultures. This highlights a crucial lesson: understanding diverse perspectives enriches our lives. The world is vast and filled with unique experiences, and every interaction can teach us something valuable. And throughout his journey, he emphasizes sustainability. And what is meaning of emphasizes sustainability? If you know about these two words, so must write your thoughts in the comments. If you don't know, then I will tell you, okay? And the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations. It's a call to action for all of us to protect our planet. We can make a difference, whether it's through small daily choices or larger community efforts. So what does this epic train journey really mean? It's a reminder and that life is about exploration, learning, and growth. As we navigate our own paths, let's take a page from Mr. Beast's adventure, embrace challenges, cherish connections, and commit to making the world a better place, okay? Remember, every journey has its lessons, so get out there and start yours. Who knows what you will discover. Until next time, bye for now.